armored transport.
Bert! Heather! Come on, let's go, you two. We're headed for the mountain.
If that's how we're doing it, we're going prepared.
We can't hold still long. These things are damn smart. They're getting smarter by the minute.
That's fine. We got some new things to teach them.
Every time we stop! Come on, man! Jesus Christ, we're only going 9 miles.
Yeah, well, those things are gonna be on our ass every foot of the way, right?
Hurry!
Oh, buddy!
Get in the trailer!
What do you think? Max firepower or this?
I go for penetration, the 458, shooting solids, less ammo to carry.
Come on, Bert, move it!
Watch these ammo boxes!
Come on, Bert!
Heather, hurry!
Hey, Miguel! Thelma, come on!
Okay, now! Come on, come on!
Hey, give me a gun, I'll take one!
I wouldn't give you a gun if it was World War III. Food for 5 years. 1,000 gallons of gas, air filtration, water filtration, Geiger counter, bomb shelter. Underground. Goddamn monsters.
There we go! Solid rock! Yeah! Any sign of them? Maybe they just gave up, you know?
Hey, what's that?
Damn it! What the hell are they doing?
I don't care what they're doing, as long as they're doing it way over there.
Wait, look out!
Aren't you okay?
I'm okay.
Sure you okay?
What happened?
What happened?
They dug a trap. I can't believe this.
All right. Yeah.
Let me have my gun.
Hungry? Eat this! Everybody go!
There they are!
Did you get one?
I don't know.
No, there's still 2 of them. Look! They're 2 different dust trails.
Sure made him think twice, though. What the hell's in those things, Bert?
Few household chemicals in the proper proportion.
Oh, here they come! They're coming back!
We're gonna have to make a run for those rocks.
I don't know, Val. It's a hell of a long way.
Yeah, man, look at us. Sure as hell gonna get us if we stay here.
Hey, Bert! Do you have any more of those bombs?
We got you covered, Rhonda.
Well, what if we throw one that way, the way that we want to go? Then when it explodes, I mean, if it drives them away, we run like goddamn bastards. Pardon my French.
What if they don't get scared? What if they don't run?
I don't think it does scare them. It hurts them. They're so sensitive to sound, they've got to run.
Oh, hell, she's got my boat.
That's it. We're making a run for it. We're going for the rock.
don't know, man. They're too fast. You can't outrun them, no way.
Yo, Melvin.
This will make him think twice.
Everybody ready to run? Let's get out of here. All right. Heads down!
It worked! There they go!
All right, let's go!
Oh, there you go.
Here. Come on, Bart.
All right, here.
Oh, Bart! You asshole!
Mommy! Get up, get up! Come on, Bart! Hurry! Get up here! Come on,
Right with you, honey.
Go, go, go! Come on over here!
Bert! You asshole! There's no bullets in this gun!
Got you moving, didn't he?
So now what?
Could we make it to the mountains? Use Bert's explosives?
No way. We need 50 of those bombs.
That's it. We're not getting off this rock.
Well, we're not gonna pole vault out of here. That's for damn sure.
Wait a minute. What are y'all talking about? It's like you're giving up or something.
They'll just wait out there till we're dead. That's exactly what they do.
Wait. For Christ's sake, we could have made a stand at our place. We had food, water. You can't fight them like that. So you two screw-ups hold us way the hell out here?
Hey, why don't you just back off, string bean? You know, we could have left your worthless ass on the roof.
I wish you had, fearless leader. Who the hell put you two in charge?
Don't push me,
Just
Bert.
back
Just
off,
don't
Bert.
goddamn push me! Them Graboids don't kill him, I will.
What?
They'd have torn your place out from under you in a half an hour.
Come on. Come on. Just let it go. Let it go. Forget about it. I know he does. He thinks he knows everything.